Down everybody, we are back at Bremerton Raceway and I got roped into drag racing the Camaro. So let's see how slow it is. We got a good group again. Adam's out in the DTR and all those plus a Ford. So let's see if I can race some of my friends and probably be definitely slower, but we'll give it a go. We passed tech inspection, we got our number. So we're gonna go and see, I don't know who wants to race me because this is gonna get serious. We're talking about doing bro brackets. I think that means you're racing your friends. I don't know. But definitely not racing Adam. So we'll see who I get lined up against first. They're already like staging us. There's one more lane and then we're gonna go. So we literally just got through tech inspection and we're gonna start running. Just racing the old big block C20. You seen it on the old channel. We lowered it and put wheels on it, you know. Hopefully I can beat it with 305. It'd be embarrassing if I didn't, but you know, he's a bigger motor. All right, well here we go. I guess the track guy says Pontius is gonna win, so I better not lose. Burnout, here we go. Slow. I think it was like a 10 something. We'll see what my reaction time was. It kind of fell on its face as soon as it went, but we'll see how it goes. It was definitely fun, and we got a lot more in us. Bring in here. So I was left lane, so I actually lost because Pontius was sitting at the line, but he was definitely faster everywhere. So it definitely fell on its face a little bit when I launched. So we'll see. Maybe I'll give her a little more RPM, but I'm gonna race Mr. Dan next. And he is definitely faster. I think he's running like 8s, so he's probably gonna smoke me like 2 cars, but it'll still be fun. Here we go, round 2, racing another big block. Mr. Dan in the 55. See if I can get another good reaction time. All right, I'm just gonna let you ride with me the whole way. Be a little bit longer one. Hopefully it doesn't fall on its face again when I launch. Back in here, so left lane again. I got faster, my reaction time was slower. I'm gonna race Mike next. Here we go, round 3. I'm gonna go against Mike. Ski ski. See if we can get our reaction time a little better. We should beat Mike. If we lose to Mike, old 3rd gen. All right, here we go. I red lighted? No way. Well, guess I red lighted. Ran a 9.9 again. Don't know how I red lighted. Thought it was too slow, but I guess I must have jumped her. Next time. Here's that one. So 992. But I red lighted. Now I'm gonna race David. So we're both running the 9.9s. See how he does. See who wins. Who do you think? Comment below. Here we go. Racing the Crown Vic swap F100. It's been very close to my time. So we'll see. You know, we'll see how we go. 1 water burnout, you know. And let's see. See what we can do. Squeak, just burning up my autocross tires. Hopefully it's worth it. Bing, bing. Got him. He was slow though. We both spun tires off. off the go. Where you going, David? Silly goose. We're a little too much mustard there off the launch. I got a little greedy, but I think I can go a little faster for sure. This is all the old third gen has. I know you're not impressed. If you're still watching, thank you for watching. Probably just my friends. Definitely a lot of fun though. Next time, you guys need to get out here. We got a decent little group. I think we're gonna do it a couple more times. I need to get some other tires so I'm not burning up my autocross tires. But it's just a hoot. If you got something, go use it. Quit thinking about it. Just go use it. This car is so slow. It is a stock 305, and I have so much fun in this car. 210,000 miles, beating it down, and the thing just loves it. Go get you something for cheap, and just enjoy yourself. Last run, me and Mr. Dan again. See if I can do better. He's getting worse. I'm getting faster. So we'll see how it goes. In the pits, old Pawnee is tuning in the old air pressure here. He was running like 40 psi. Yeah, kicker down to 38. He says he's gonna ride a wheelie. So it's going to be a game changer. It's probably going to get her down in the 7s, have to wear a helmet. You just put that gout through the floor, let her eat. Here we go, last go, going against Mr. Dan. Beat me by a lot last time, so definitely not going to win, but maybe he'll keep doing bad, and I'll do good. You never know. See if I can stop on the old stage. There we go. Come on, Mr. Dan. There we go. Felt good. Some squeaky squeaks. See what we can put together here. Gotta back up and restage. All right. Dang it. Spun off the line. 10-1 slower. Dan ran 8-4 though. Dropping that air pressure helped him out. Well, gonna end with a loss, but you know what? No one loses when you have this much fun. Tell you what, Mr. Dan, wait till I get a new motor, mister. David, your tires smell like firecrackers. Not in a good way. Get him, Mike. Woo, he's gone. Get some, David. great day out here. The old third gen did so much better than I could even imagine. I had a blast. The car did great. Suspension is definitely not set up to be doing drag racing, but it did awesome. So it hooked good. Did have a little chatter, probably could have softened it up a little bit, and it probably would have hooked even better. But the car did awesome. QA1 suspension is killer. Just one more thing that it's just making the car so much better. So thanks for watching. Next time, follow, subscribe. Home. I forgot to show you guys my last time slip. There you go. But look at that left lane reaction time. Ran a little slower than my fastest run, but definitely getting the tree down. This is the first time I've drag raced. Literally, I did it one time when I was like 19 years old. So a lot of fun, definitely more of it to come. So stay tuned for that. I appreciate y'all. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and like and subscribe because I need some more followers, and hopefully you like what I'm doing. Till next time. Fun fact, my autocross number is 213. So it's just one extra 3. I didn't even get to pick it. How about that?